Over the Lokpal bill, the government is getting ready to introduce the bill in the Rajya Sabha, but the BJP claims that the UPA is not serious about the bill and that its own MPs are creating ruckus in Parliament, leading to disruptions.
Major priority in passing the Lokpal bill. We have just had a meeting of the Business Advisory Committee in Rajya Sabha where the Lokpal bill is pending, and I have said that this is the highest priority the government has. So we are going to list it in Rajya Sabha tomorrow.
You've served a notice on Lokpal. Why now?
See, we are really eager to have independent and strong Lokpal. Anna Hazare has again started the fast. On this backdrop, we are again giving notice and asking the government to bring in immediately the Lokpal containing all the unanimously agreed recommendation of the Select Committee, because it was appointed by the House, and House there is no scope for cabinet to dilute it, but they have diluted it. That's why we want all recommendations to come. If they come,
the bill has been approved by the Select Committee of Rajya Sabha, went to the cabinet, and thereafter the bill has been brought before the Rajya Sabha. We have given notice for taking it for debate and discussion and passing it. The government intention is very clear, but unless until the Parliament functions, we cannot be in a position to pass the bill. Therefore, we appeal to the members of various political parties in the Business Advisory Committee today also that they should allow the bill to be passed in the House. And therefore, I appeal on behalf of the government that Anna Hazare should end his fast, because he knows the parliamentary procedure. Because unless until the House comes to order, passing a bill will be very difficult one. Therefore, I appeal to him that the government's sincerity is, the intention is very clear to pass the bill.
The government also appealing to Anna Hazare to call off his fast, indefinite fast that he is holding in Ralegan Siddi for the Jan Lokpal bill.